As I sit here in my cozy office, surrounded by stacks of ancient tomes and the occasional fossilized snack, I can't help but marvel at the evolution of dating in the digital age. Once upon a time, love was a matter of chance encounters and awkward social gatherings. Now, it seems that swiping right or left has become the modern equivalent of a romantic courtship. The rise of artificial intelligence in dating apps has transformed the landscape of romance, making it more efficient, albeit a tad more complicated. In this brave new world, algorithms have taken on the role of matchmakers, sifting through profiles with the precision of a paleontologist examining a rare specimen. With AI at the helm, dating apps can analyze user preferences, behaviors, and even subtle cues in communication to suggest potential partners. It's as if Cupid himself has donned a lab coat and is now armed with data analytics. While some may lament the loss of serendipity, I find it fascinating how technology has woven itself into the fabric of human connection. It's like having a personal assistant who knows your preferences better than you do. If only I had one to help me choose between my favorite fossils. One of the most intriguing aspects of these algorithms is their ability to learn and adapt over time. As users interact with the app, swiping, messaging, and going on dates, the AI gathers feedback and refines its recommendations accordingly. This dynamic process allows for a more personalized experience, as the algorithm becomes increasingly attuned to individual desires. It's akin to a dinosaur evolving over millions of years to better suit its environment. Except in this case, the environment is the complex world of modern romance. The role of AI in personalized recommendations. Personalization is the name of the game in today's dating scene, and AI plays a pivotal role in tailoring recommendations to suit individual tastes. Gone are the days when users were bombarded with irrelevant matches. Now, AI-driven apps curate potential partners based on a myriad of factors that reflect one's personality and preferences. It's like having a wise old sage guiding you through the treacherous terrain of love, if that sage happened to be a highly advanced computer program. These personalized recommendations extend beyond mere profile suggestions. They can also include tailored conversation starters and date ideas that align with shared interests. Imagine receiving a notification suggesting a cozy coffee shop that specializes in artisanal brews, perfect for impressing your date with your refined taste. This level of customization not only enhances the user experience, but also increases the likelihood of meaningful connections. After all, who wouldn't want to bond over a shared love for obscure dinosaur documentaries? Ethical considerations and privacy concerns. While the rise of AI and dating apps brings forth exciting possibilities, it also raises important ethical considerations and privacy concerns. As users entrust their personal information to these platforms, questions arise about how that data is collected, stored, and utilized. Are we inadvertently sacrificing our privacy for the sake of finding love? It's a dilemma that even the most astute paleontologist would ponder while examining a particularly delicate fossil. Moreover, there's the issue of algorithmic bias, an inherent flaw that can skew recommendations based on flawed data or societal stereotypes. If an algorithm is trained on biased information, it may inadvertently perpetuate harmful stereotypes or exclude certain demographics from potential matches. As we navigate this brave new world of AI-driven dating, it's crucial for developers to prioritize ethical practices and ensure that their algorithms promote inclusivity rather than division. After all, love should be as diverse as the prehistoric world itself. The impact of AI on user experience. The user experience in dating apps has undergone a seismic shift thanks to AI technology. With intuitive interfaces and seamless navigation, users can now engage with potential matches more effortlessly than ever before. The days of clunky interfaces and frustrating search processes are long gone. Instead, we find ourselves immersed in an engaging digital landscape where connections can flourish. AI also enhances user experience by providing real-time feedback and insights into interactions. For instance, if a user's messages are met with silence or disinterest, The app might suggest alternative approaches or conversation topics to reignite the spark. It's like having a wise old dinosaur whispering advice in your ear. Perhaps you should mention your favorite Jurassic period movie. This level of support not only empowers users, but also fosters confidence in their dating endeavors. Success stories and limitations of AI in finding love. Love in the digital age. Many individuals have found lasting love through AI-driven dating apps, crediting their success to the personalized recommendations and tailored experiences. From serendipitous encounters to meaningful connections that blossom into lifelong partnerships, AI has proven its worth as a modern-day matchmaker. The limitations of AI. However, it's essential to acknowledge that AI is not infallible. While algorithms can analyze data with remarkable precision, they cannot replicate the nuances of human emotion and connection. There are instances where users may feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of options or become disillusioned by superficial interactions. A tool, not a guarantee. In this sense, AI serves as a tool rather than a guarantee. It can facilitate connections, but cannot replace the magic that occurs when two individuals truly resonate. The future of AI in dating, virtual dating assistants, and chatbots. As we peer into the crystal ball of dating technology, it becomes evident that AI will continue to play an increasingly prominent role in shaping romantic experiences. One exciting development on the horizon is the emergence of virtual dating assistants and chatbots designed to enhance user interactions further. Imagine having an AI companion that not only helps you craft witty messages, but also provides real-time feedback during conversations, like having your very own wingman who never tires. These virtual assistants could also facilitate virtual dates by suggesting activities based on shared interests or even curating playlists for an evening spent together over video chat. However, as we embrace these advancements, it's crucial to strike a balance between technology and genuine human connection. Tips for using AI-driven dating apps effective. First and foremost, be authentic in your profile. Let your true self shine through. Algorithms thrive on genuine data, so presenting an accurate representation of yourself will lead to more meaningful matches. Secondly, don't shy away from engaging with the app's features. Embrace personalized recommendations and conversation starters. They're designed to enhance your experience and help you connect deeper. Lastly, remember that while AI can facilitate connections, it's ultimately up to you to nurture those relationships. Approach each interaction with an open heart and mind. After all, love is an adventure worth embarking upon, even if it means navigating through a digital jungle filled with algorithms and swipes.